Let's talk about this cool little mini drone which can fly up to 250 feet for 5 minutes on a single charge. To turn it on, raise the throttle on the controller to the top, then to the bottom. You may need to repeat this action several times. Eventually, the controller will beep. The next time you raise the throttle after the beep, the drone will lift into the air. To elevate the drone, push forward on the left throttle. To descend, push down on the left throttle. To fly forward, push forward on the right throttle. To fly backward, pull the right throttle back. Want to perform a flip? Push the right throttle down until you hear a beep. Then you're in flip mode. Once you're in flip mode, move the right throttle in any direction to perform a flip. To make the drone easier to fly, use headless mode. Press the left directional button. You'll hear beeping and the LEDs will begin to blink. And that's how you use the mini drone.